You guys, so my orchid has officially stopped blooming. The flowers fell off. I snipped it right here. Let me get a good grip on this. I snipped it right here, and you can see this here was already, it was ready to go already. Look at this. So I snipped it. I'm gonna throw that one out. And then this is my first time dealing with orchids, so I snipped it here from what I've been told and from what I researched. And supposedly a new one is supposed to grow there. And yeah, I am gonna have to find the reason why the leaves are so floppy. Look at this, they're so floppy. But this one is growing. This one was little, but it is growing. And it's actually growing pretty fast considering. So hopefully this one does give me blooms. I'm gonna do more research on it because I don't know what, like, I've never had orchids before, so I'm not entirely sure how to work with this. I saw that some people would use, whatchamacallit, leca balls, and use that with water instead of this. So I don't know if that's like better to use, but I'm gonna do some research, see what other people are saying, what other people do. But for now, I did take the first step of snipping this off right here, and yeah, we'll see what happens. It doesn't look, the only thing that's like wrong is like the floppy leaves, so I don't know what, I don't know. So if you guys have any, if you have had orchids before and you know what's going on, please give me some tips. I'm gonna leave the stake here for now, because I might need it if like it flowers, it blooms again, so we'll see. But let me know if you guys are familiar with orchids, and like, what do you, have you like snipped off the top before? Has it flowered again? So yeah, I will talk to you in the next video, and make sure to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos on this channel. All right, see ya.